everyone, it's so nice to see you again. Thank you for coming back and joining me for another video. We are going to do another maths session today, and we are going to be carrying on with addition, which I know we all looked at together yesterday. We're going to be doing a bit more adding on and making our numbers bigger. So to start off with, I'm going to show you the things you're going to need for our video today. And after that, we're going to listen to a little song to remind us what happens to our numbers when we're adding. So let's have a look at what it is that you're going to need. Here we go. Remember to keep an eye out for the different Disney characters hidden in the slides. So exactly the same as yesterday, something to count with, paper, a pen or a pencil, yourself, and to have listening ears on, looking eyes, thinking brains, and maybe your counting hat as well. We're going to hear some of the same keywords in our video today, definitely more, bigger, adding on and addition, because that's what we're focusing on. So pause now while you get your bits ready and then press play when you're ready for the next part. Right, let's have a quick look at, we're just going to watch the first clip of a song to remind us what happens to our numbers when we're adding and when we're making them bigger, and then we'll be ready to start with today's activities. Here we go. Right, let's hope this works.
1, 2, 3, 4. You can count on me. Let's add it up and see. You put a plus in between the numbers. How much will it be? 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6.
Did you notice what was happening to the numbers as they were adding them on? Well done, they were getting more and the number was getting bigger. Well done, you're fantastic at that now. I've asked you so many times. So we're going to be doing some of that with our numbers today. And if you fancy it, today I've got some number sentences up to 20 that you can have a go at if you fancy a challenge. So first of all, let's do one all together, just to help us remind ourselves, recap our brains of how we can do it. Oh, there's my Ninja math symbol reminder to do that add. So in the video, and you might have heard before, sometimes they call it plus. This is the add symbol. And then my favorite one are equals, when we've counted them all together and we found the answer. Got our add and our equal signs. So here we go. Here's one from yesterday. I've got some blue dots that I need to add up. So this side, so before the plus, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blue dots. And then after the plus sign, after the add symbol, I've got 1, 2, 3 blue dots. So I've got 4 to begin with, and then I'm adding 3 on, and I need to find the answer. So this is what my number sentence would look like. There were 4 blue dots, and I need to make it bigger by adding on 3 more blue dots. So I could draw some blue dots and do it with my pen, or I could do it by counting out 4 strawberries and adding on 3 more. So I think I'm going to do it with dots like we had up on our screen. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and then 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Now, can you help me add them all together and count them up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great job. So 4 and 3 more equals, so all together we now have 7. Excellent. If I'd done that with my strawberries, then I would have started off with 4 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I would have added on 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Now let's count and check that there are 7 here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. So we checked again, and 4 and 3, I think we're pretty confident now, definitely equals 7. Here we go, there it is as a number sentence. 4 and 3 equals 7. Here's what it would look like on our number line. We've got a red circle around the number 4, 3 big jumps along my number line, takes us to the number 7. Right, if you fancy having a go at adding on up to 10, then you need to pause this screen now and use one of the ways that I've shown you to add them up and try and find the answer. Make sure you make a note of your answers somewhere so that we can go through them together at the end. If you're feeling confident with your adding on, then you want to pause this screen and have a go at doing your numbers up to 20. So lots more dots to draw. So if you fancy having a go at this one and you think you're up for a challenge, then pause this screen, make sure you make a note of your answers so that we can go through them together at the end. Okay, you should have had a chance to go through some of those sums now. Maybe you had a go at the up to 10 and the up to 20. So let's go through all of the answers and I'll show you how I would have worked out some of them and you can see if you did the same. Here we go. So these are the ones up to 10. So we had 3, add on 2 more equals, what number is that? 5. Well done. Good job if you got 5 at home. Next, we started off with just 1. So I'm going to hold up 1 finger. And then 2 more. So I'm going to hold up 2 fingers. And all together now I've got 1, 2, 3. Excellent. So 1 add 2 equals 3. Now the next one is 8 add 2. And I'm going to show you this one on a whiteboard. My pen is starting to run out because we've done so much learning together. So that does say, can't read it very well, 8 add on 2. So you might have used a number line, you might have used your counting objects, okay, you might have drawn. So I'm going to do 8 and then 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1, 2. Let's add them up all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent counting. So 8 add 2 equals 10. And that's how my complete number sentence would look. You remember we talked about number sentences. You have to read them, a bit like a writing sentence. Let's have a look at the next one. 2 add 5 equals 7. Well done if you got that one. 9 add on 1 more. We did lots of 1 more last week, so that was just a little chance to see if you could remember it. And 10 comes after the number 9. That would be 1 jump along our number line. And I'm going to show you the last one on my number line, which was 4 add on 2. So here's 4 on my number line. And then we're going to do 2 jumps. 1, 2. And what number have we got? Excellent, well done. We've got number 6. So 4 add 2 equals 6. Well done, super. Great work if you got all of those right at home. If you got a couple of wrong, don't worry, because we'll be practicing again in one of my next videos, and you can always have a go at scrolling back through the video and having another go. Here were the other answers. So these were a bit trickier with my teen numbers. We had 12 first of all, adding on 2 more. So if I'd used my number line, here's the number 12. You can always count along the number line to help you find it. Here's my number 12, 2 more jumps. 1, 2, got the number 14, fantastic. So 12, add on 2 more equals 14. 13 and 3 more made 16. You might have spotted that was a bit like our 3 and 3 made 6. So 13 and 3 more made 16. Next up we had 11, and this time we were adding on 4 more. You had to do 4 big jumps. 11 add 4. That's lots of counting to do. And that should have given you 15. Okay, 11 and 4 more gave you 15. And then the next one was 11 again, but this time instead of adding on 4, we're adding on 5. So here we go. Here's one that I've written out. 11 add 5. And I find the dots help me and work really well for me. So that's the method I'm going to use. Can you help me count up all the dots together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Wow, good job. Can you think about how we write a number 16? There's a clue if you listen. 16, we've got 10 and 6. 16. Excellent. Brilliant work if you got that at home. Let's have a look at one of the next ones. We also had 14, add on 4 more. You might have spotted that looks a bit like our 4, add 4 that we did yesterday. 14, add 4 equals 18. Sorry about the bang, I've just kicked the chair under the table, whoopsie. And 11, add on 2 more. For that last one, I'm just going to show you with my strawberries. So we need to count out 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we're adding on 2 more. How many have I got all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is made up of a 10 and a 3. So 13. So fantastic work if you've got that at home. Let's go back and look at the answers one more time. Okay, you're welcome to pause if you want to go through them a little bit more, or you want to go back through any that you didn't quite get right this time. But don't worry if you didn't, because we are going to be doing lots more in our next videos, and tomorrow we're also going to be looking at subtraction and a bit of taking away. So I look forward to seeing you then for that. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.